Hello everyone, welcome to Careers 360. So over here in today's video, I'm going to talk about the last 5 years question trend with respect to CLAT 2027 preparation. So let's dive in. Students, if we look at the last 5 years, one trend is very clear. CLAT has become increasingly reading and comprehension focused. While the exam shifted from 150 questions, yes, in which particular year? In 2022 to 2023 to 120 questions from 2024 onwards, the analytical level has remained high. Recent papers have emphasized legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and current affairs through lengthy, passage-based questions. The key takeaway for CLAT 2027 aspirants is very simple. Focus on reading speed, comprehension, and application-based problem solving rather than mugging up the facts. The last 5 years reveal a clear evolution in the CLAT exam. The first major change is the reduction in the number of questions from 150 in 2022 and 2023 to 120 from 2024 onwards. However, this doesn't mean the exam has become easier. In fact, with fewer questions, every mark carries more weight, making accuracy more important than speed. The second and the most significant shift is the move from factual recall to reasoning-based assessment. Earlier, students could score well by memorizing information. Today, most questions are passage-based and test your ability to analyze, interpret, and apply concepts in real-world situations. Finally, while the exam pattern has evolved, the 5 core sections remain unchanged. English language, current affairs, including general knowledge, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative techniques. The syllabus is stable, but the way questions are asked has become more analytical and comprehension driven. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2027, don't just focus on completing the syllabus. Build strong reading habits, improve your comprehension speed, practice passage-based questions regularly, and develop logical reasoning skills. That's exactly what the recent CLAT papers are rewarding. Another major shift is from direct recall to application-based question, as I already told you. One important thing to remember is that CLAT gives almost equal importance to every section. Legal reasoning and current affairs usually have the highest weightage, but English and logical reasoning are not far behind. Even if I talk about quantitative techniques, despite having fewer questions can make a big difference to your final score. Now, when we analyze the last 5-year papers, some topics appear again and again. In legal reasoning, if you just have a look over here, focus on constitutional law, contract law, torts, and current legal issues. In logical reasoning, practice assumptions, inferences, arguments, and critical reasoning. If I talk about for English, improve your reading comprehension, vocab, and inference skills. And for current affairs, stay updated with important national and international events, Supreme Court judgments, government schemes, awards, and major international organizations. The key takeaway is very simple. Don't prepare section by section in isolation. Give equal attention to every section and build strong reading and reasoning skills to maximize your CLAT 2027 score. Another interesting trend can be seen in logical reasoning section. From CLAT 2022 to 2024, the questions were largely based on critical reasoning. Students were mainly tested on assumptions, arguments, inferences, conclusions, and strengthening or weakening arguments through passage-based questions. However, in CLAT 2025 and 2026, the pattern became more diverse. Along with critical reasoning, the exam started including verbal reasoning concepts such as coding, decoding, yes, seating arrangements, statement-based reasoning, and other analytical question types. Well, if I now talk about the tips and tricks for CLAT 2027, dear ones, it's number 1, spot repeated topics. Second, time yourself on PYQs. Third, read and practice daily. Fourth, mock, review, and repeat. So, here at Careers 360, we provide you the mock test for your coming CLAT examination. You just need to click on the link given to you in the description box and you'll be redirected to this particular page wherein each and everything you need to fill up and you'll be then redirected to your main mock examination. Also, aspirants, we are providing you the ebooks for your preparation to CLAT UG 2027. free preparation guide wherein exam pattern, syllabus, section wise preparation tips, everything has been provided to you. Talking about the 60% syllabus covered ebook wherein CLAT, AILET and SLAT 2027 important topics have been mentioned. There are many other resources for your preparation guide. So aspirants, the link of these ebooks has been provided to you in the description box. Just click on them and you will be redirected to your main page. So my advice is that you need to actually practice PYQs on the weekly basis. Finally, you need to revise consistently. Keep short notes for current affairs, important legal concepts, vocab and quantitative formulas so that revision becomes quick and effective. Remember, CLAT is not about studying for the longest hours. It's about studying smart, practicing consistently and improving a little every single day. That's the strategy that will help you crack CLAT 2027. All the very best and subscribe to Careers 360.